Hey there, Amy here with today's spotlight shining on anxiety. Not an essential oil, but anxiety as a topic in general. And I'm bringing it up because it's a huge topic these days for people and our pets. And it's like the world has uncertainty in the air. No matter where you live, these are unprecedented times that we're living in, and there's just an instability and an uncertainty that goes with living these days, and our pets are picking up on that. So whether you have a diagnosis of anxiety or not, our animals are picking it up even just from the environments that we live in. So when you're dealing with a pet with anxiety, and we see this question a lot of like, what oil is good for anxiety? And that's it depends answer. I mean, because anxiety can look so different for our pets, just like it can look different for people. So for our pets, you can, like thunderstorm, there's noise anxiety or noise phobias, right? Some of those pets pant, and dogs in particular are going to be panting, excessive drooling, excessive pacing. Others are going to go hide in a closet. Both are anxious, and they're doing it very differently. The same goes with separation anxiety. That's a really hard one. You know, that usually looks like a panic attack, and that's really requires a different bunch of oils. So looking at how your animal does anxiety, like cats they might hide, or they might get grumpy. You know, it's how your animal does anxiety is going to determine what essential oils will be helpful. So for example, if they're panting and pacing and drooling and they're hyperactive, if they're busy, if they're restless, we need to calm that, like ground that, right? We need to bring in the vetiver and the patchouli, or maybe the petitgrain, any tree oils. Those kind of oils tend to help settle that restless type of behavior, whereas those animals that are hiding in a closet, they need a different kind of safe. So I might still use some of that grounding oils, but I also might use some lighter heart oils too. I might use that neroli. I might use, again, petitgrain, because it can walk both. It can walk as a lighter grounding oil, but just bergamot, right? But it depends on even to how intense they are feeling their anxiety. And if they are just anxious in general, you know, diffusing anything that helps them relax will be helpful. So that's where I suggest offering a variety of oils to them to see what it is they like to work with. You know, your bergamot is often selected over lavender, but you can offer both. Sweet orange, cedarwood, balsam fir, all of those are good general anxiety calming oils to try. So I hope this little perspective on anxiety is helpful. And if you're experiencing anxiety, something that helps you relax is often going to help your animal relax as well. So just keep that in mind. The more you reduce your anxiety, that also helps our pets. So if you have questions about anxiety, post them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.